Hey, let me show you how the Pixel 11 Pro in the Canon color looks. So that's basically how it looks in the real life, the same that you can see on your screen right now. I'm gonna put it a little bit closer to the camera, and the colors actually reminds me the rose gold from iPhone 6, 7 and 8. It looks pretty nice. Also, we can find here, I would say it's gold. Looks like gold, but maybe a little bit like rose gold frame, the titanium one, with two buttons on the right side. So this is the power button, the volume buttons. Those white lines are actually the antennas for connection. At the top you can find the microphone, and the color is like really nice. When you touch it, there's a matte finish. It doesn't actually catch that much fingerprints. There's also a big camera bumper. So yeah, this is it. I hope you find that video useful.